Alright, so today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony WH-1000X M3s. Now before I continue, let me just confirm a few things. I am filming this in the backseat of a car, and it's going to be kind of weird. I know, it's kind of dark, and it's a car in the background, but I've been kind of in a rush. So let's take a look at these headphones. So these are supposed to be the main competitors to the Bose Quiet Comfort, I believe they're called 35 Series 2, you know, the typical noise canceling headphones that you see most people have. So these are the newest versions of the Sony WH-1000X M3s, and these headphones have terrible names, but the thing is, it's supposed to have better noise canceling than the Bose. But the main reason why I went with the Sonys instead of the Bose is, as you can probably see in the picture here, that port is a USB-C port. So Bose, for some reason, and most, I think, headphone companies are still using micro USB to charge the headphones. And to me, that's really frustrating because I feel like that's just a really dated port to use. And, you know, it's not, you're just dating your product that way. So by Sony moving to USB-C on the M3s, it's kind of future-proofing the product in a sense. And I think it's a really good direction in a right move for the future of technology. So I bought these from Best Buy, and these were really actually hard to find. They go for $350, which is in line with Bose's headphones as well. But yeah, these were really difficult to find online, and I actually had to wait for them to come in stock on Best Buy, Amazon, everywhere. They were not there. You can buy them refurbished as well from Amazon, and you can buy them for $320. So I thought that was a really good deal, but I'd already placed my Best Buy order by that time, and for some reason they wouldn't let me cancel it. So they really wanted me to get this. So the alternative is I could return it, and then I have to wait for the Amazon one. So I just figured, I usually purchase refurbished stuff. Why not try something new to begin with? So the reason why I even purchased these headphones, if you guys care, is the current headphones are Plantronics noise canceling headphones. They were great, but the right ear cup went out. So I could only hear from the left ear cup, and the cushioning was starting to come out. So I had to stop using those. So if you see here, it says it has Google Assistant and then 30 hours of battery life, which is insane. That is a really, well, to me at least, that's really good. And then on the back, you can see some of the pictures. You know, it has these controls, which I'll have to play around with. And it comes with this beautiful case. I really think the case looks great. And then they also have their own app called Headphones Connect, which is neat. And I think Bose also has their own app. I'm not 100% sure about that. So I don't know much about headphones in general. I'm not a big audiophile. I don't really look or care for that too much. But recently, you know, I thought it'd be a good idea because I thought noise canceling, especially since I've been studying a lot more in the library. So I really wanted to make sure that my second pair of headphones I got were also noise canceling. All right, so let's take this out. Let me take that off. So I'll set that aside. So it's a little awkward positioning for me, but you can see here that this is the sleeve that I just took out. Okay, and then in the box it says easy setup, okay, and it says download the app and then power on your headphones and connect via the app. So I didn't know you had to download the app, but I guess I might as well. I'm wanting to use these more with my computer though, so I don't think obviously there's an app for that. So the headphones are in this case. I'll set that aside for now. And then in here we have it's like the literature packet, basically telling you how to connect. And then I'm guessing it's just your instruction manual, things like that. Let's actually take a look at the good stuff. So that's it. I've been waiting for these headphones for a while, so I'm super psyched to try them. So here is the case that they come in. It has the zipper, says Sony on it here. And so you can open these up. Another really great feature I like about this, and I know a lot of headphones do this, is that the headphones fold. So actually my headphones that I currently use, the Plantronics, they don't fold. So that's kind of an inconvenience. Wow, here they are. So I'm going to set these aside. Okay, so I know I didn't really show them yet, but first impressions already, they're super light. Okay, and then here is some packaging in here. And then inside some more packaging, I believe just telling you how to put the earphones in the case. So this shows you that on the right ear cuff you have all the controls. And I know, and I'm sorry to tease you guys, but before I get to the actual headphones, let's just see what we have in here. So it's really neat that, I don't know, again, this is the first time I think I've opened like a pair of headphones that's more than $300. I mean, that's a lot. That's kind of expensive for headphones, in my opinion. But regardless, what Sony did is they gave us, okay, so an aux cable, which is normal. So if you want to use them wired, you can. And then in here, they gave a headphone splitter, I believe. Not quite sure how to take that out. Here we go. So you can connect this. Oh, sorry. So this is not a headphone splitter. I believe this is what you can use on airplanes. So when you have the two prongs in the airplanes. Okay, well that's not as exciting. That's actually kind of lame. I don't know if you guys have been on planes that actually require the two-prong things, but the airlines, they give them to you now, right? I mean, I was on one in June, I believe, last year. And they gave this adapter to you to use with your headphones. So I don't know. Maybe not all airlines do that. I'm not 100% sure about that, but I could have sworn they did. So yeah, so it is a plug adapter right here. It says plug adapter for in-flight use. Okay. Anyway, so this here is the USB-C cable. Nice and small, and I still can't believe these actually use USB-C. So the Surface headphones that were recently announced like a few weeks ago and that come out in November sometime, those also use USB-C to charge. So those are also really a great option, I think. So these are the headphones. Wow, these are really light. And you can see how they're folded really nicely. And I'm just going to unfold them here. In person. So I've seen my friend, actually, my roommate, has the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones, and I've seen them and they look really good, but these definitely look much better. I mean, these are some really nice looking headphones. I really have no idea what you guys think looking at it in this night darkness in the back of a car where I'm unboxing this, but it is, in person, these look incredible. So on the right here, you can see the USB-C charging port. Oh, I'm sorry. So this actually isn't even the charging port. I'm looking at this now. Maybe these are the microphones? Wow, I honestly have no idea. I don't think I've been less informed about a product I've ever received in my life. I honestly, this is really new territory for me. So here actually is the USB-C headphone. I mean, the USB-C port to charge. So it's not at the top, which the top, the way they designed it, it looks like it is USB-C, but you just plug this in right here and it snaps in, so that's great. In case you were unaware, USB-C is reversible, so it's the same port that you see in the new MacBooks and the new MacBook Air, and actually the new iPad Pros that were released today. So don't worry, I will be talking about the iPad Pros soon, the new ones, because those are really exciting to talk about. But as you can see here, the cuffs, they look really comfortable, and you can see the cushioning up here. This is how they adjust. Oh, the adjustment is really smooth. Wow, these are really nice headphones. You can take a look at some of the buttons here. So on this headphone, so this is the left cup, I believe. Yes, on the left it has the aux. So if you want to use them as wired, then you have the power button. Then you have the noise canceling / ambient mode. And one feature I do actually know about these is that I believe if you put your hand up onto the right ear cuff when you are listening to music and you have noise canceling turned on, it'll actually turn off your noise canceling and maybe pause your music, I believe, so that you can hear when someone is trying to talk to you. So you don't have to take off your whole headphones. You can just put your hand to your cuff, the ear cup, real quick and talk to whoever is trying to get your attention. And then I think as you let go, it should resume and turn on noise canceling again. I'm not 100% sure if it pauses the music for you or not, but it definitely does turn off the noise canceling. So I thought that was a neat feature. And then if you want to fold these, you fold it in like this. They fold really nicely. Or maybe it's the left one first? Yeah, I believe the left one folds first. And then you can just put them in the case. Oh, like this. So the way you put them in the case is not the smallest conformation they can take to fold, but they do fold like this, and then you can zip the case up. So actually, let me try this. After a little bit of fiddling. Okay, yeah, so the ear cups are facing down, and then you zip it up. And so this is, you can hear that it's pretty solid on this side and on this side, and there's a little pouch here. Wow, I didn't know that. That's really, it's really cool feature. It's a small detail that I think is pretty useful. And then you can take these, and they're so transportable. They're really easy to slip into your backpack and take them with you. So this is a really exciting piece of tech. I hope this unboxing was enjoyable, even though it is in the backseat of a car in the dark. But that is all I have right now. I can't wait to actually test these out and pair these with my phone. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for my next video.